In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened it, navigate to the search bar and type for HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver. And once you are done, you would be able to be navigated to the list of results. Okay, so first you need to proceed to the link. Okay, under support.hp.com, click on it, and eventually you'll be navigated to this page where it will welcome you to this HP DeskJet 2131 all-in-one printer. So please scroll down. Okay, just scroll down, and there you can see the installation software, full and basic driver supports print and scan functionality only. So click on this download, aligning to it. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. So to check the download progress, just have to navigate here at the top right corner. You can see the download icon and it will show you the downloaded file. Click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click here and click on the cat icon to copy it. So click on it, and then once you've copied it, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on the paste. Now, once you have successfully moved the file here, you need to double tap to unzip or extract the file. Or if you have a WinRAR tool, you can make a right click and use that to extract this one. So please wait until it would be showing up here next to Edit in Notepad. Once it's here, go with Extract to, and then kindly wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once a new file folder has been created, that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. So this is the time that we will now start the installation. But before you subscribe to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also use the keyboard, press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you will be able to bring up the settings window. Now here at the settings, please proceed to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. The moment you've clicked on it, kindly wait until you would be able to see this list of results. Please proceed with the printers and scanners. Click on this one. And here at the printers and scanner section, you'll see an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and you will be able to open a new window where you can find a printer by other options. Once it's here, go with Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on Next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. However, if you have an HP port, you can use that as well. So click on Next here, and you need to go with this option called Have in it. Go with the browse. And since our extracted file has been saved at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down here, and eventually you'll be able to see the extracted file. Double tapped, and then you need to scroll down, okay, and locate for HP when USB stopped. Click on the open, and then click on OK. And eventually you'll be able to place that one. Click on next, and you can rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into 2131. You may wonder why it appear here 2130. It appears 2130 because 2130 and 2131 works the same. Okay, so you might be confused about it. So go with next and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, please click on next. Click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP DeskJet 2131 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.